Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. I'm now in JPJ in Kuala Lumpur, Wang Semaju, and that's my Audi A6. Today is the last time I'll see it because I'm going to do my thumbprint and change ownership of the car. And before I do that, what better way to remember this moment than to do a full walk around video of the car. So let's do it. I'm going to do one take. Let's see if I have it. So the Audi A6 Hybrid, let's talk about powers now. Stock, this came 245 horsepower, given the 211 from the engine, the ICE, the internal combustion engine, as well as the hybrid drivetrain. Combined, this used to produce 245, now it produced somewhere about 300 odd horsepower and about 580 Newton meter of torque from the original 450 Newton meter of torque. In front, we've got the grill set up here with the bumper from the RS bumpers. I'm sorry about the badging, but I want to do a quick video about, not a quick video, I want to do as thorough a video as possible in the time I have about what's in the car. So let me open the doors for you and open the boot and let's do a walk around. For all you haters out there who says never buy an A6 Hybrid, screw you all. All of you have never been in an A6 Hybrid and I know how comfortable this is. It's an extremely comfortable and beautiful car. Just look at that interior there. So let me walk you through and show you what's inside here. Now inside, yes. So inside we've got this beautiful dashboard. It goes all the way with this trim piece here. This trim piece will change. If you got the 3 liter, it comes with like a wood kind of finishing. This one obviously has the kind of carbon fiber silver finish, which I actually like. And if you go to the side here, what else we have? Well, we've got these lights when the doors open. Down here you've got welcome puddle lights, which I've installed with the Audi logo. You've got door seals. Look at that. My door seal hasn't been opened. It's still from factory. It's there. The badging is still there. Let me just come around here. Inside the glove compartment, we've got the DVD changer, 6 changes. We've got the get off and on the airbag if you got child seat. This is actually a cooler box, so if you can put your hand here, you notice it's actually quite cool. Because over here there's a lever that can turn off or on. In the event you actually want aircon vent to come through and keep your chocolate cool. This is like a place to put your power bank and stuff. You got a holder here for your pen. That's where you put your pen and lock it in. And that's the glove compartment. Over here, got nice big speakers. They're very clear speakers. All 4 doors are actually automatic. That means you press a button and it will come along by itself. Awesome. Center console. What else we have? Let me turn on the car for you. Let me go to the other side. Let's turn on the car. Start. So it's a push start system. Now a lot of the things in the car is automatic. For example, if I was here and assume I drive the car. 1 second. So assume I drive the car and I go to D and I go and let's say I come back and I come back. Okay, and you put to P. The moment you either open the door, let's say if I open the door, you see it goes to parking automatically for me. A lot of cars I've seen, modern cars, don't have the feature. Also, for example, let's say I want to start the car. Okay, so car is now started. It's quiet because it's a hybrid. And if I go to D, and if I would just press the throttle, it will automatically disengage. Sorry, 1 second. I think it's because. So again, if I start the car, put a D, and I didn't disengage the third. I press. Well, it will automatically disengage the parking brake. I think there's a sequence to it. We got auto hold there. You got your selector for your audio. This MI is beautiful. As you can see there, it's a very complete system. This is your DVD player, single disc. Open this and you got your SD card 1, SD card 2. Your eject button. Is there a CD inside? Nope, don't see the inside. This is to run on EV. If you press the button over here, and let's go here, if I press that E button, it will say currently mode not available. So if there's enough battery in the car, so now the battery is charged up quite low, it will allow you to go on EV. EV makes you, gives you the ability to actually drive for about, what, I think it's about 3 kilometers on fully electric, okay, which you'll never use. Parking sensors, so if you press this, it will bring up the menu here, okay, and again you could see this from point of view of so this corners here, this four corners here, actually these four corners here. So over here it says graphic. If I press the bottom one here, graphic, it gives me a graphical representation of the car itself and tells me what's happening. So I press again, I come back here, setting, as you can see, you can set the volume for the front, for the rear, so you know which side is actually beeping. You've got your blinds for the back. Yep, the blinds. Traction control off. I would actually turn this off if you want to do a spirited drive, because it gives you more traction while driving, and you turn that off. Let's look at your climate control. Here you've got your automatic for the passenger, automatic for the driver, auto climate. You've got the front demister, rear demister, aircon off or on, the air conditioning itself. This is to off the drive system, and again press again, it comes on. Sync, because this is actually a quad zone guys, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each corner of the car has got a control, and you can set to sync all 4 across. This is for the blower, and may set auto here again and sync it, and this is for circulation. Okay, so very easy to use and practical. So down here you got this pad over here. This pad is quite interesting. So now on this mode, as you can see, I'm on radio, okay, and I've got the button here, and if I press my button here, it will change the stations accordingly. But what's interesting though is, now if I were to go to, let's say, to a different setting, let's say I go to media, or say I go to telephone, you will see that the numbers actually disappears. I can't show you because I've actually erased my Bluetooth, but this will actually disappear and will give you a touchpad. So I wish I could show you there. Nice compartments here to put your drinks. You've got stacks of stickers here, your MMI button, your cigarette socket. I've got my secret control there for the exhaust. Let's go in the back. So there's someone parking this car there. So on the side here, before I get out, I'll show you the aircon vents. Quite easy to use, up and down, open and close the vents. Here you've got your control for your lights. So this is off, automatic, side lights, front headlights, and that's it. Okay, I normally leave it auto. This is to control your intensity of the light. This is for the fog light, and I believe the front. So the headlight has got some of the LEDs actually linked to this. Okay, I just keep it automatic. This again is for your side mirror, left or right, or full. As you can see there, it will full. The car's off obviously, and this is to, I leave it here because these mirrors are actually heated, so it will never get fogged up because I leave it here. It just auto demists as required. You've got your boot latch control, child lock. So you press this button there, the kids can't open the door as well as they can't open the window. So this is extremely good if you are a dad. And let's just see the boot now. Obviously it comes with full control, lumbar support, and up and down, back and front. The boot, so a lot of people talk about the boot being unpractical. So this is the boot, but what you lose here is just that piece there, you know. So yes, you can't put long bags, but you've got almost a dual layer to put your stuff there. I can't complain, it works for me. This is actually a very big car, so it's fine. You've got a place to put stuff here, and a secret compartment here. Over here is where I keep my additional oil, which I've never used. So if you've got an Audi, you know what, you can put your oil there, put it in a plastic bag, and your spare oil is there at all times. Below here, if you open this up, this is where the air the air pump or inflator is. You got your emergency patch repair kit for your tires, and you've got these nice little hooks over here which are like anodized, I think, not anodized, like chrome finish. Okay, so the idea is you can put hooks here, hooks there, and it's mounted. That's my spare filter for the cabin filter. Over here you've got, oh, I've never actually opened this before in my life. This is your triangle, okay, and obviously your holder. So this version didn't come with power boot, but you get versions that come with power boot as a button there for you to press. Let's go to the back seat. DNA tuning, shout out Mike, awesome job. So over here you've got, you know, yep, your blinds, okay, speakers again for the sides. You got little pockets here, and nice bins in the back. Size for the back seat, I think it's very ample. As you can see, nice ample room space for any adult. I'm adult and I'm sitting here and I've got a lot of leg room in front. The back is comfortable, good angle. Again, even the top is quite nice. Oh, I've never said the back actually. Very, very comfortable, and I got a good view because see, I got a sunroof there. And I was talking about the quad zone. Yeah, quad zone, so I can set my own temperature here. And I've got I didn't know about this. I actually have got 12-volt socket here. So yeah, awesome. Okay, and obviously I got my, one second, I got my armrest here. Okay, so armrest comes with what's it, kit, so you'll never open this. This is just meant to be closed at all times. And over here you got this neat little trick here. If you just press on this, it opens up. So how's this? Yeah, that's it. Okay. And oh, obviously very important, on the B pillar aircon vents. How cool is that? Okay, and you've got your kopi or teh tarik hook up here. Yeah, so I'm gonna miss this car a lot. This is the last video, the last time I had to use this car. It's been a blast. I love it. That holder there to put the sunglass, I actually added that in. It's my piece. You don't get that in the typical X hybrid in Malaysia. But yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Am I gonna miss it? I'm gonna miss it dearly. In fact, I'm gonna so much that I'm gonna make an offer to the new owner that if I were to give him, let's say, 1,000 or 2, will he forego and let me keep the car? Can I buy back my car? So if he says yes, I'm gonna keep it, but I doubt he'll let me keep it. I'm gonna miss you, baby, and I'll see you when I see you on the road. And it's been a blast. Thank you. You served me well.